Hey there, fellow budget enthusiasts. If you're using YNAB, that's you need a budget to take control of your finances. You're already on the right track. But what about your investments? Whether it's stocks, bonds, or retirement funds, tracking them in YNAB can help you see the big picture and stay aligned with your goals. In this video, I'll walk you through the steps to get started. It's simpler than you think. First things first, open up your YNAB app or website and log in. Head over to the Accounts section. Here, you'll want to add a new account specifically for your investments. Click on Add Account and select the type that best fits, like investment or brokerage. This keeps your investments separate from your everyday spending money. Next, if your investment platform allows it, link your account directly to YNAB for automatic transaction imports. This saves time and reduces errors. Just follow the prompts to connect via PLAD or manual entry if needed. Once your transactions are in, it's time to categorize them. YNAB lets you create custom categories, so make one for stocks, bonds, or even specific funds. Assign each transaction accordingly to track where your money is going and growing. Now, for monitoring. Regularly check your investment account in YNAB to see how it's affecting your overall budget. Remember, YNAB is all about assigning every dollar a job, so use your investment returns to fund other categories or adjust your allocations as needed. A pro tip: set up monthly reviews to reconcile your investments and make sure everything adds up. One common mistake is forgetting to account for fees or dividends, so always double-check those. And if you're new to this, don't worry, YNAB's Learning Center has great resources. There you have it. By tracking your investments in YNAB, you'll gain clarity and confidence in your financial journey. Give it a try today, and let me know in the comments how it's working for you. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.